Hello everyone, Chris Duffley here for Your Tech Vision, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Hey Siri. And there are many scenarios of why you would want this. Two of them being, well, maybe you just want a hands-free experience, or because I use it on occasion, and well, maybe not on occasion, but like almost all the time, and it's very interesting because I use it hands-free. So like if I want to say turn on Do Not Disturb because at night when I'm going to bed and I'm getting ready to change, I want to say Hey Siri, turn on Do Not Disturb and keep it hands-free. Also, if you ever lose your phone or are trying to find it on the way out, like if you're trying to run out the door or something else, that's a good scenario. I use that sometimes whenever I need it. It just depends. But anyway, today I'm going to show you how to enable that. And if you're using VoiceOver, I will show you what exactly to do. So, to start off, I'm on my home screen using my iPhone XS, and I am going to go
Calendar.
and I'm going to start at the top left corner of my screen.
Mail.
Which is the top left corner of my home screen.
Mail. 26.
And I'm at Mail, and I'm going to flick right until I get to Settings.
Calendar. Photos. Camera. Maps. Clock. Weather. News. Wallet. Notes. Reminders. TV. iTunes. Apps. Books. Settings.
And I am there, so I'm going to double tap.
Settings.
And then what I will do is I will flick over to Siri and search. That is the setting you want to look for here.
Search. Christopher Duffley. Airplane mode. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Cellular. Personal notification. Sounds app. Do not screen. Display. Wallpaper. Siri and search. Button.
There we go. That's where we need to be. So I'll double tap on here.
Selected. Settings. Back button. Siri and search. Siri shortcuts. Heading. My shortcuts. 23. Button.
That is a powerful feature. If upon request you want to know about that, I'll be happy to show you this menu and how you can make your own shortcuts. I'm going to pass through this.
Find phone. All add shortcuts for Ask Siri. Heading.
By the way, what I am doing is I am flicking right. So flicking, by the way, for those of you who do not know, is a fast motion. If you're a blind viewer, this is a fast motion. And basically what you do is you touch, move, touch, move. So right as you put your finger on the screen, you basically move your finger. So flicking right, as you will see here.
Listen for Hey Siri. Off.
See what I did there? And that's actually the option we want. So I will double tap on this option.
On. Cancel. Button.
So now we're in
Set up Hey Siri. This helps Siri recognize your voice when you say Hey Siri.
Now, if you're using an iPhone 6S or later, that's several years ago, by the way, for the iPhone when it was released. And but you can use Hey Siri without connecting to power. But if you have a 6 or 6 Plus or earlier, you will need to have it connected to power in order to work, because I believe it's probably because of the battery drain. But anyway, I'm going to go to
Continue.
Continue.
Button. Step 1 of 5. Say Hey Siri into your iPhone. Continue. Cancel. Button.
Hey Siri.
Step 2 of 5. Say, Hey Siri, send a message.
Hey Siri, send a message.
Step 3 of 5. Say, Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
Step 4 of 5. Say, Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Four of 5.
Hey Siri, set a timer for
Siri
3.
didn't quite get that. Try again. Step 4 of 5. Say,
Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. That's weird, it's not getting it. Anyway, let's try this again. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Cancel. 4 of 5. Cancel. 4 of
Oh gosh, what is going on here?
Say. 4 of say.
Alright, let's try this again. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Step 5 of 5.
Oh, there we
And
go.
finally, say, Hey Siri, play some music.
Hey Siri, play some
Finally,
music.
Say. And finally, 5.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Hey Siri is
And there you go.
image
So,
image depicting
if I two-finger flick up to read from the top.
Image depicting Siri being used on an iPhone. Image. Hey Siri is ready. Siri will recognize your voice whenever you say, Hey Siri. Done. Button.
All right. So that
Done.
is
Listen
how
for
you
Hey
enable Hey Siri. And now you can see.
Press side button for Siri.
Then
On.
I'll flick left.
Listen for Hey Siri. On.
You will now see that it is turned on. So that is how you enable Hey Siri on your iPhone. Stop. That's so funny.
Listen, Steve.
Anyways, that is how you enable HEY Siri on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and please visit yourtechvision.com for more, or subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. Have a great day, and talk to you soon.